Dear student, as I am discussing about the different type of web browsing, so homepage web browsing or font color download is options is there in the Mozilla. Search bar is there in option of search bar formatting. These are the path. Okay, these are the path where you can find history, cookies, option of privacy and cookies. Firefox is there, isn't it? Related what Mozilla Firefox to default setting. Click menu icon help. Okay, the click icon menu is there, troubleshooting information is there, reference box information, confirm and finish information. Internet Explorer, same thing, home page is there, home page history, font color, internet tools, under internet, under option, under general. These are the path. Security where under tools, under internet, option under security. Privacy provide pop-up is tools under internet, option under privacy. Patent control tools under internet, under control. That means where they are, the default browser is under internet, under program setting internet. Remember this and write them. Tool internet, internet, then connections, accessibility tool internet advanced, then restarting tool internet advanced, then restart, isn't it? Opera Mini, same thing, setting. In Opera Mini homepage pop-up language you will find under setting preference general. Password manage you will find under setting preference and forms. Search engine you will find under setting preference search. So font color you will find under setting preference web, history and cookies, all these setting preference advanced. So that is what you find it. Close the common start button, enter all the remove reference del what, percent app del, percent Opera Mini, all these. Okay, restart the default setting for the next time when you are launching it. So you should be very much aware of it. Add-ons extension, there are the different type of extension we can find it. That Netflix movies are there. Now we are seeing the Netflix movies in the different site we are finding, as well as in Airtel, and all these Netflix movies are being given. So those are the different type of one-to-one installation is here. If you install, you can see it. If I install, I can see it, isn't it? So these are the different type of official face and official part of installation. How to add and add once art installer. So there are the two keys way to add one to become an installer. Through the external installer. Okay, that means if I install it, I can pass it out. So adding the service more reliable, install add one browser service provided. Okay, vetting this particular safety adds outside program, installing web browser as installing Microsoft. So all these things you can find it for your documentation. Now what you find it, that there are the remove also, you can remove the program if you want. You can remove the program, install if what you have installed, browsing certain program, position control, remove, you can remove it by uninstalling or remove through the browser add manager. Add one manager, what? Google Chrome, more tools extension, Mozilla Firefox manager. If you want to add advanced option, control plus shift plus a. Internet Explorer is tools and manage advanced. Opera HTTP advanced.chrome. Okay. Plugin means a piece of software that act as adding to the web browser and get the browser the additional functionality. When you get some additional functionality, that is known as plugins. So plugins over there, additional control is not originally desired for display. It is not for display. This is a free Micromedia Flash player which help you to do the different type of additional work. If you do some additional work there, isn't it? If you want to download something, if you want to download some prompt or install some prompt, that can be done. So difference between the advanced and plugin. What is the difference between them? Plugin is completely a program and one is not a program. That is one. For example, Flash is a plugin by Adobe. It's required to play the video in the Flash player, and Java is a plugin by the Sun Microsoft. Write them in your copy also, which is used to run the program in Java, isn't it? So this is what you find it. Plugin is the browser. Flash can be installed. Flash files, similarly Java can be installed by Java. On other hand, what we say, that it is not a complete program. That means okay, that is handy is not, that is not a complete program plugin. So this is used for a particular functionality. We suppose that we will going to get the environment, and based on that environment we can work on it. Cookies, what is the cookies? Cookies means the small bits of data that are stored as a text file on browse. When you browse, those things comes. So website, those who has the small bits of data to keep the track of the user enclave of specified. What is cookies? So each of the cookies is effectively a small lookup